Hey bro, what's up? Python 3. 2. Python 3.x introduced some Python 2 incompatible keywords and features that can be imported via the built __future __ module in Python 2. It is recommended to use __ future __ imports if you are planning Python 3.x support for your code. For example, if we want Python 3.x's integer division behavior in Python 2, add the following import statement from __ future __ import division. Most notable and most widely known change in Python 3 is how the print function is used. Use of parentheses with print function is now mandatory. It was optional in Python 2. Print hello world number is acceptable in Python 2. Print hello world number in Python 3. Print must be followed by the print function inserts a new